Hello students, this is Miss Pooja Arun Matre, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department in Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar East. Today's topic is C Programming Language, chapter number 1, Overview of C Programming, part 7. The learning course outcomes are operator, types of operator, expression, precedence and associativity. Operator. Operators are the foundation of any programming language. Thus, the functionality of C programming language is incomplete without the use of operators. So, we can define operators as a symbol that help us to perform specific mathematical and logical computations and on operands. In other words, we can say that an operator operates the operands. An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform a specific mathematical or logical function. Operator is a symbol to perform a mathematical functions, and it is used for the functionality for the C programming. So without the operator we cannot calculate any function. Types of operator. C operators can be classified into following types, that is arithmetic operator, increment decrement operator, relational operator, logical operators, bitwise operator, assignment operator, conditional operator and special operators. Arithmetic operator. These are used to perform arithmetic or mathematical operations on operands. So C supports all the basic arithmetic operators. The following table shows all the basic of arithmetic operators are plus sign, it adds two operands. Minus sign, subtract the second operands from the first. Star sign, that is multiply two operands. Asterisk sign, backward slash sign, divide the numerator by denominator, and modulus sign, give the remainder of division. Increment or decrement operator. Increment. The plus plus operator is used to increment the value of an integer. When it placed before the name, that is called the pre-increment operator, and instantly example is plus plus x. When it is placed after the variable, it is called a post increment operator. That means the value is preserved temporarily until the execution of the statement is going on, and it is gets updated before execution next statement. For example, x plus plus. Pre-increment. For example, int a is equals to 5 and b is equals to plus plus a, that is pre-increment. So here the a and b both have a value is 6. That means if a value is 5 and it is a pre-increment, that means the value of a is incremented first. The 5 is incremented by 1, that is become a 6, and 6 value of a is assigned to the variable b. That is why a and b both have the value is 6. Post increment. A is equals to 5 and b is equals to a plus plus. That means the value of 5 is given to the b first, and then the value of a is incremented, that is a plus 1, that is 6. So here the value of a is 6 and b is 5. Decrement. The minus minus operator is used to decrement the value of integer. When it placed before the variable, it's called pre-decrement, that is minus minus x. When it is placed after the variable, that is a post decrement operator, and it is temporarily preserve the value of the execution statement, and then it is get updated. For example, x minus minus. Examples are pre-decrement are a, value of a is 5 and value of b is equals to minus minus a. So here the value of a and b both have 4. That means if the value of a is 5, then it minus minus a means it is decremented by 1, subtracted by 1. So 5 will become 4. So value of a is a 4 and 4 value is assigned to the b. Post decrement. Value of A is 5. B is equals to A minus minus. So here the value of A is assigned to the B first, then it get executed the post decrement operator. That means value of B is 5 and A is 4. Relational operator. Relational operators are used to comparison of the values of two operands. For example, checking if one operand is equal to the other operand or not, an operand is a greater than to the other operand or not, etc. The following table shows the relation operation supported by C. The operator is equal, double equal to. It checks the value of two operands are equal or not. If S, the condition becomes true. That is A is equals to B. Is not true. Exclamatory is equals to, that is not equal to. It checks if the value of two operands are equal or not. The value is are not equal, then condition becomes true. That is A is not equal to B. That is true. Greater than. It checks the value of left operand is greater than the right operand. If S, then condition is true, otherwise false. So A is greater than B. Left operand should be greater. So here the condition is false. That is not true. Then less than. It checks the value of left operand less than the value of right operand. So left operand A is less than B. Left operand is less than B, that is it is true. Then less greater than equal to, it checks the value left operand is greater than or equal to the right operand. If S, then condition become true. A is greater than equal to B is not true. Less than equal to, it checks the value of left operand less than equal to the value of right operand. If S, then condition becomes true. Example is A is greater than equal to B is true. Logical operator. Logical operators are used to combine the two or more conditions or to come to the evaluation of original condition is consideration. The result of the operation of a logical operator is a Boolean value, either true or false. For example, the logical and represented as a 2 times of ampersand sign in operator C or C++. It returns the true when the both conditions under the consideration are satisfied. Otherwise, it returns the false. So therefore, A logical and B, it returns true when both A and B are true, that is a non-zero. So to learn different logic operators in details, that is C language supports the following three logical operators. That is 2 times of ampersand sign, that is logical and A is logical and B is false. That means A is not equal to B. So logical and logical value is not equal to B. So there is statement is false. 2 times of standing line, that is a logical or. A is not equal to B, that is A is 1 and B is 0. So it is A or B, the value must be A, 1 or 0. So it is true. Then exclamatory mark, that is logical not. So not A is a false. That means 0 is not A have a 1 value. That is, it is not a false value. That is why not A, that is it's a false statement. Bitwise operator. The bitwise operator is used to perform bit level operations on the operand. The operators are first converted into bit level and then calculation is performed on the operand. The mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. can be performed at a bit level for faster processing. For example, the bitwise and represented as a ampersand operator in C or C++. It takes the two numbers as an operand and does AND on every bit of two numbers. The result of AND is 1 and only if both bits are 1. Operator is bitwise AND operator, bitwise OR operator. Third one is a bitwise exclusive OR. Then fourth one is a bitwise left shift and fifth one is a bitwise right shift operator. Assignment operator. The assignment operator are used to assign the value of variable. The left side operand of a assignment operator is a variable and right side operand of the assignment operator is a value. The value of right side must be to the same data type of variable on the left side, otherwise the compiler will raise an error. Assignment operator C programming supported by as follows. Assignment operator is equals to sign. It assigns the value of right side operand to the left side operand. That is A is equals to B. Plus A plus equal to. It adds a right operand to the left operand and assign the result to the left. So A plus assignment equal to B is same as A is equals to A plus B minus assignment operator. It subtracts the right operand from the left operand and assign the result to the left operand. That is A minus assigned B is equals to same as A is equals to A minus B. Asterisk equal to. It multiplies the left operand with the right operand and assign the result to the left operand. So A asterisk assigned to B is same as A is equals to A multiplied by B. Division assignment operator. It divides the left operand with the right operand and assign the result to the left operand. A is divided by assignment to the B is same as A is equals to A divided by B. Modulus equal to. Calculate the modulus using the two operands and assign the result to the left operand. So A modulus is equals to B is the same as A is equals to A assignment of A modulus of B. Conditional operator. The conditional operator in C programming is known as ternary operator, that is question mark, colon and operator. It is usually the condition that we use in C language, that is decision making, but using conditional operator we turn the if condition statement into the short or simple operator. The syntax of conditional operator is expression 1 question mark, expression 2 colon and expression 3. The syntax of conditional operator is expression 1 question mark, expression 2 colon and expression 3. The question mark in the syntax represent if part. The first expression is generally written either true or false, based on which it is decided whether the expression 2 will be executed or expression 3. If the expression 1 returns the expression of the left side colon, that is expression 2 is executed. If the expression 1 returns false, then the expression on the right hand side, that is of the colon, that is expression 3 is executed. Special operator. Below are the some important special operators in C are size of operator, ampersand and star. That is size of operator is written the size of variable, ampersand is written the address of the variable and star is a pointer of the variable. Expression. Arithmetic expressions in C is a combination of variables, constants and operators written in a proper syntax. C easily handle any complex mathematical expressions, but these mathematical expressions have to be written in a proper syntax. For example, A multiplied by B plus 5 minus D. So this expression is a constant. 5 is a constant and A and B and D are the variables, and the operator's precedence is star, that is multiplication, addition and division. Precedence. Operator precedence determines which operator is evaluated first when an expression has more than one operators. So operator precedence determines the grouping of terms in an expression and decides how an expression is evaluated. Certain operators have higher precedence than others. For example, multiplication operator has a higher precedence than addition operator. So at the first, expression within the parentheses are evaluated. Then no parenthesis is present. Then arithmetic expression is evaluated from left to right. So there are two priority of the operators. That is high priority for multiplication, division and modulus, and low priority for addition and subtraction. The evaluation of the arithmetic expression is, for example, x is equals to 9 minus 12 divided by 3 plus 3 multiplied by 2 minus 1. The first part, step 1 is x is equals to 9 minus 4, that is 12 divided by 3. Answer is 4, plus 3 multiplied by 2 minus 1. In step 2, x is equals to 9 minus 4, 3 multiplied by 2 is a 6 minus 1. Then second pass, x is equals to 5 plus 6, that is 9 minus 4 is 5 plus 6 minus 1. Then step 2, 5 plus 6 is 11 minus 1, and the step 3 is the answer is 10. 11 minus 1 is 10. Precedence, the category, operator and associativity. Here the precedence of the operators are given from left to right and right to left. So where is the priority, where is the associativity is given in this diagram. Associativity. The associativity is used when there are two or more operators of same precedence if present in expression. The associativity of operator determines the direction in which expression is evaluated. For example, multiplication and division arithmetic operators have same precedence. So let's say we can have an expression is 5 multiplied by 2 divided by 2. So this expression should be evaluated as 5 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 because of associativity left to right for these operators. Similarly, 20 divided by 2 multiplied by 5. It will be calculated as 20 multiplied by 2 divided by 5. Thank you.